Today's topic is weight maintenance. Hello, I'm Dr. John. I've been studying food intake and weight maintenance over 30 years. Reduced intake of energy-containing nutrients results in weight loss. However, maintenance of reduced body weight requires timely consumption of essential nutrients. So how do you make sure that you can get all the necessary essential nutrients at the same time, at the time you need? An article published in Nature in March 2019 reveals how vigorously the body defends acquisition of sodium, an essential nutrient. Based on this, I will give you my explanation of nutrient intake control and what can go wrong with it and how to solve it. When nutrients enter the mouth, the taste buds detect them and inform the brain of the arrival. The brain creates the sensation of satisfaction and enjoyment to continue to encourage eating that food. Once sufficient nutrients have been taken in, the control center reduces the intensity of enjoyment and you can stop eating at that time. This method or mechanism called chemical sensing is used by infants and toddlers to get all the needed nutrients on a timely fashion and they grow normally. So why can't adults do it? For two reasons: salty food and soft food. Let me explain. The average daily requirement of sodium that comes from salt is less than 500 milligrams depending on how much you sweat. Whereas the average daily intake of sodium in the United States is 3.4 grams, that is 6 to 7 times the normal. A 10% increase in sodium concentration in the blood will interfere with function of the nerves and heart. A 20% increase, if not corrected immediately, can be fatal. So if you are eating foods that contain a lot of sodium, salty foods, the control mechanisms go on to a protective mode rather than an acquisition mode. That interferes with intake of essential nutrients. Nature has packaged all the nutrients humans require in foods that require chewing. When you don't chew, you swallow. Most of the foods that humans take in present day diet comes from grains that require practically no chewing. How much can you chew rice, bread, pasta, pastries, cakes, cookies? So what happens? The taste buds cannot get them on a timely fashion to inform the brain. So food intake is now based on fullness of the stomach rather than taste satisfaction. So how can you avoid these or prevent this and get required nutrients? First, stop eating salty foods. You may eat low salt foods or no salt foods. Especially don't eat snacks that are salty, and please don't give children snacks that are salty, otherwise you are setting them up for a lifelong trouble with obesity, type 2 diabetes and cancer. Second, eat only foods that require chewing so that the taste buds can inform and function normally. If you like this information, please click like and share it with others. If you like more of these, please follow me on Instagram, Dr. John on Health, and on Facebook, Dr. John on Health. Thank you.